Good evening friends, Sir Abdul Sattar Khan. 10th English March 2024 solved exam paper, question answer, English third language. Activity sheet section 1 language study 10 marks, do as directed 8 marks. Complete the following words by using correct letters: light, focus, habit, stick. Second, I put the following words in alphabetical order: birds, garden, rose, tree. Second, I test, treatment, trouble, truth. Third, punctuate the following sentences. 2 marks. 4, make 4 words minimum of 3 letters using the word advertisement. She said, "Are you crazy?" The teacher said, "Let's start today's session." Advice, man, meet, and write the related words as shown in the example. Clever, student. Complete the word chain of verbs. Add 4 words. Grow, dash. Sharp student, smart student, clever student, intelligent student, obedient student. Write, eat, tell, leak. Do as directed. Attempt any one. 2 marks. Make a meaningful sentence by using the phrase to be afraid of. I am afraid of lion. Add a clause to the following sentence to expand it meaningfully. This is a classroom where I learn English. Second, add a prefix or suffix to make new words: manage, kind, management, kindness. Make a meaningful sentence using any one of the following words: manage, kind. Samira manages the business. Rehan is a kind boy. Textual passage 20 marks. Question number 2 का A है. Read the following passage and do the activities 10 marks. Write whether the following statements, sentences are true or false. The sight of the food maddened him. True. He pretended to be falling asleep. True. The mother ate a piece of fish that lay. False. The sun was now descending the sky. False. The sun was now ascending the sky, blazing on his ledge that faced south. He felt the heat because he had not eaten since the previous nightfall. He stepped slowly out to the brink of the ledge and standing on one leg with the other leg hidden under his wing, he closed one eye, then the other, and pretended to be falling asleep. Still, they took no notice of him. He saw his two brothers and his sister laying on the plateau, dozing with their heads sunk into their necks. His father was preening the feathers on his white back. Only his mother was looking at him. She was standing on a little high hump on the plateau, her white breast thrust forward now and again. She tore at a piece of fish that lay at her feet and then scratched each side of her beak on the rock. The sight of the food maddened him. How he loved to tear food that way, scraping his beak now and again to wet it. Complete the web. Actions of family members: his father, his mother, brothers and sisters. Father is preening the feathers on his white back. Mother is standing on the plateau and looking at him. Brother and sisters dozing the fish on the plateau, standing on the one leg, pretending to be asleep. A3. Match the words in column A with their meanings in column B. Scrapped, rubbed, dozing, sleeping lightly. Plateau, a large high area of that land. Wet, sharpen. Do as directed. The sight of the food maddened him. Add a question tag. The sight of the food maddened him. Didn't eat. Only his mother was looking at him. Rewrite as present perfect tense. Only his mother has looked at him. Personal response: write any 4 good things that your parents taught you. My parents taught me to speak truth and never take the things which are not mine. And my parents always tell me to pay respect to elders and talk lovingly to younger children. Parents help me deciding my goal. Read the following passage and do the activities. Who said to whom? Is the world so poor that it cannot give me a toy and a book? A child laborer said to Kailash Satyarthi. Second, what is my fault? Sudanese child soldier said to Kailash Satyarthi. 20 years ago, in the foothills of the Himalayas, I met a small, skinny child laborer. He asked me, is the world so poor that it cannot give me a toy and book instead of forcing me to take a gun or tool? I met with a Sudanese child labor soldier. He was kidnapped by an extremist militia. As his first training session, he was forced to kill his friends and family. He asked me, what is my fault? Friends, all the great men, great religions teach us to take care for our children. Jesus said, let the children come to me. Do not hinder them, for the kingdom of God belongs to them. The Holy Quran says, kill not your children because of poverty. Friends, there is no greater violence than to deny the dreams of our children. Therefore, I refuse to accept that all the temples and mosques and churches and prayer houses has no place for the dreams of our children. I refuse to accept that the world is poor when 1 week of global military expenditure can bring all the children to classrooms, holy places for prayers, mosque, church, temples, prayer houses. Write the describing words for the following from the passage. Week, 1 week, Quran, Holy Quran, violence, greater violence, religion, great religions. Do as directed. He asked me what is my fault. Choose the correct indirect speech from the following. He asked me what was his fault. Second, he was forced to kill his friends and family. Underline the infinitive. His answer had to kill. B5 personal response. What will you do if you find a poor and needy child? When I will find a poor and needy child, I will try to help him. I will give him some money, ask about his education. I'll provide as much support as I can. I will help him to learn, eat and drink properly. Question number 3, section 3, poetry, 10 marks. Read the following stanzas and do the activities, 5 marks. Complete the sentences. The poet saw a lovely girl on bus. The poet stopped to buy some sweets. The poet requests God to forgive him. The lovely girl in a bus wore crutch. Today on a bus I saw a lovely girl with silken hair. I envied her. She seemed so gay, and I wished I was so fair. When suddenly she rose to leave, I saw her hobble down the aisle. She had one leg and wore a crutch, but as she passed, a smile. Oh God, forgive me when I whine. I have 2 legs, the world is mine. And then I stopped to buy some sweets. The lad who sold them had such charm. I talked with him, he seemed so calm, and if I were late it would do no harm. And as I left, he said to me, I thank you, you have been so kind. It's nice to talk with folks like you. You see, I am blind. Oh God, forgive me when I whine. I have 2 eyes, the world is mine. Complete the web diagram. The lad sold some sweets. The lad seemed so gay. The lad was blind. The lad had such charm. Write any 2 pairs of rhyming words. Hair, fair, wine, mine, kind, blind. B. Appreciation of the poem, 5 marks. Read the following poem and write an appreciation of it with the help of the points given below. You start dying slowly. If you do not travel, if you do not read, if you do not listen to the sounds of life, if you do not appreciate yourself, you start dying slowly. When you kill your self-esteem, when you do not let others help you, you start dying slowly. If you become a slave of your habits, walking every day on the same path, if you do not change your routine, if you do not wear different colors, or you do not speak to those you don't know, you start dying slowly. If you avoid to feel passion and their turbulent emotions, those which make your eyes glisten and your heart beat fast, you start dying slowly. If you do not change your life when you are not satisfied with your job or with your love, if you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, if you do not go after a dream, if you do not allow yourself at least once in your lifetime to run away from sensible advice, से लिखा है पाब्लो नरोदा ने. Title of the poem, half marks. Name of the poet, half. Rhyme scheme, 1. Figure of speech, 1. Theme, central idea, 2 marks. The title of the poem is "You Start Dying Slowly." Second poet, this poem was written by the poet Pablo Neruda. Theme, central idea, the theme of the poem is short and is like this: life must flow and renew itself at every moment of its being. We live fully only when we enrich ourselves with new knowledge, with wide experience, fresh emotions, daring encounters, and exciting challenges. If we settle for a life that is stagnant, repetitive, or conventional, we start dying slowly instead of living the life fully. Rhyme scheme, there is no rhyme scheme in the poem. It is written in the free verse style. Figure of speech, apostrophe, repetition, antithesis. Section 4, non-textual passage, 15 marks. Question number 4a, read the following passage and do the activities, 10 marks. Complete the following sentences from the passage. Kalam earned a degree in dash. DRDO stands for Kalam was dash. Kalam served as a lecturer at. पहले का आंसर है एरोनॉटिकल इंजीनियरिंग, दूसरा डिफेंस रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, थर्ड प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर, फोर्थ सेवरल यूनिवर्सिटीज. APJ अबुल कलाम इन फुल अबुल फकीर जैनुल आबिदीन अब्दुल कलाम, born October 15, 1931, Rameshwaram, India, died July 27, 2015, Shillong, Indian scientist who played a leading role in the development of India's missile and nuclear weapons programs. He was President of India from 2002 to 2007. Kalam earned a degree in aeronautical engineering from the Madras Institute of Technology and in 1958 joined the Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO. In 1969, he moved to the Indian Space Research Organization, where he was project director of the SLV-3, the first satellite launch vehicle that was both designed and produced in India. Rejoining DRDO in 1982, Kalam planned the program that produced a number of successful missiles, which helped earn him the nickname Missile Man. Among them, successes was Agni, India's first intermediate range ballistic missile, which incorporated aspects of the SLV-3 and was launched in 1989. Kalam remained committed using science and technology to transform India into a developed country and served as lecturer at several universities. Kalam wrote several books including autobiography Wings of Fire 1999. He received the Padma Bhushan 1981, Padma Vibhushan 1990, Indira Gandhi Award for National Integration 1997 and the India's highest civilian award Bharat Ratna 1997. Complete the web diagram awards that Kalam received during his life: Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Indira Gandhi Award for National Integration, Bharat Ratna. A3, fill in the blanks by using the suitable phrases, words from the bracket. Moved to, served as, launched, autobiography. First time Mr. Gunaji has served as a principal in this college. Second, the story of my experiment with truth is the dash of Mahatma Gandhi, autobiography. Third, my teacher moved to England for further studies. Fourth, ISRO successfully launched Chandrayaan-3 mission. A4, do as directed. Kalam wrote several books. Frame a WH question to get underlined part as answer. How many books did Kalam write? Second, Kalam earned a degree in aeronautical engineering. Begin the sentence with a degree. A degree in aeronautical engineering was earned by Kalam. Who is your role model? Write few lines about him or her. MS Dhoni is well known for his calm and collected demeanor. Even in the most stressful circumstances, his leadership skills are unrivaled and he has led teams to victory frequently. We know him as one of India's most successful captains and he is a true inspiration to all aspiring cricket players in India. Hence, Dhoni is my role model. Summary writing 5 marks. Read the passage given in question number 4a and write a summary of it. Suggest a suitable title to the summary. Dr. APJ Abul Kalam was an Indian scientist and the President of India. He was an aeronautical engineer, moved to ISRO and then DRDO. He is also called the Missile Man of India. He did a job as a lecturer at several universities. He wrote his autobiography Wings of Fire and got Padma Awards as well as Bharat Ratna. Section 5 Writing Skill 20 marks. Letter writing. Imagine you are Shivam Shivangi Patil residing at 47 Raman Bagh, Satara. Read the following poster and attempt any one of the following letters. Developing writing skills. Poster prepared by the in-charge English Club, Satara. Write a letter to your friend who is not doing well in English. Advise him or her to study well. Make use of the following points. Add your own points. Question number 5a1 informal letter. Shivam Patil 47 Raman Bagh, Satara, 7th March 2024. Dear Rohan, hope you are doing well. You must be busy in your preparation for the forthcoming exams. Extremely sorry to disturb you in this crucial period of time. As you know, the in charge of English Club of Satara organized developing writing skills workshop. The key points of this workshop are: read prose and poetry lessons purposefully and loudly. Enrich your vocabulary by reading newspapers and story books. Try to converse in simple English with your friends and teachers. Write down your new words and find out their meanings from the dictionary. Write your thoughts, ideas, and feelings neatly in your own words. Review your studies regularly. Kindly let me know the suitable day and time for you so that I would plan accordingly. I am sure that you will do this in your favor. You can learn and enjoy developing learning English writing skills. Convey my regards to elders and blessings to children. Waiting for either your call or message of confirmation. Your loving friend Shivam Patil. Dialogue writing, drafting a speech, B1 or B2, do any one of the following. B1 dialogue writing, prepare a dialogue from the jumble sentence. पहले आएगा have you participated in any cultural event. Second, yes I have participated in a group event, dance event. Third आएगा which song did you select. इसका आंसर आएगा fourth I selected a Punjabi folk song. Complete the dialogue. Mohan, do you like to watch movies? Sohan, yes I like to watch movies. Mohan, which is your favorite movie? Sohan, my favorite movie is Three Idiots. Write a dialogue between Ganesh and Mahesh, having 3 meaningful exchanges on the benefits of morning walk. अब इसमें से ए गणेश है और बी benefits of morning walk. Do you go for morning walk? Yes, I go for morning walk. Can you tell me one benefit of morning walk? It makes you fresh for a whole day. Please tell me another benefit of it. It makes you physically, mentally and emotionally strong. Any other benefit of it? It keeps you away from all kinds of diseases. Speech writing, you are going to participate in elocution competition arranged by your school. Living a better life. Write a speech on the given topic. Question number 6 का ये है information transfer, non-verbal to verbal. Read the information given in the following tree diagram and write 2 short paragraphs. Based on it, give a suitable title to your write-up. Summers, seasons, rainy, winter, summer, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May. Seasons, there are 3 types of seasons: rainy season, winter season, summer season. The rainy season are coming in June, July, August, September month. The rainy season are very cool and wet. That's why seasons corn crops, bajra, peanut, soya bean, etc. The people use umbrella, raincoat, cloth, etc. for in this season. The winter season are coming in October, November, December, January. That season called damp of clothes. That season jowar, wheat, gram, sugar cane. The people are of clothes, sweater, warm clothes, gloves and scarves. The summer seasons come in February, March, April, May month. That season are very hot and sunny. That season farmers take crop, groundnuts, sunflower, onion, peanuts. The people use caps, sunglasses, white clothes and many more clothes. They are above three seasons. Very important role in human life. Verbal to non-verbal, suggest a suitable title. Chandrayaan 1 was India's first mission to the moon. The mission focused on the extensive mapping of the lunar surface for studying variations in its compositions and tracing the moon's origin and evolution. Chandrayaan 3 launched to the moon on July 14, 2023. Name of Chandrayaan: Chandrayaan 1, Chandrayaan 2, Chandrayaan 3. Date of launching, objectives of mission. Expand the theme. New Vision School celebration celebrated Yoga Day. News report writing. Develop a story with the help of the given beginning. Suggest a suitable title. Once I was alone at my home. My parents had gone to other village. Story writing, help to needy persons, animals. Once I was alone at my home. My parents had gone to other village. I was fully busy in reading storybooks. I had forgotten everything. Suddenly I heard a strange voice and shrilling. At first I didn't pay any attention to it, but the sound was clear and continuous. It seemed that someone was shrilling near to my house. Now there was a commotion in front of my home. I opened the door and came out. I saw that a pack of dogs was attacking a pig. The pig was shrilling and making a painful sound. I hurled stones and got a heavy stick to drive them away. After my continuous efforts, a pack of dogs ran away. I saved the pig from the attack of the pack of dogs. I gave it water to drink and food to eat. I applied ointment on the injuries of that pig. There was a gratitude in its eyes. I would never forget its gratitudeness. The animals also spoke to us in their language. We should help them. Moral: be kind and helpful to all the creatures of man, animal, and all the living things. Section 7 Skill Development 5 marks. Translation. Translate the following words into your medium of instruction. Competition, मुकाबला, humanity, इंसानियत, courage, हिम्मत, prayer, इबादत, great, अजीम, अजमत, dust, धूल. Translate the following sentences into your medium of instruction. Remove your shoes outside the library. अपने जूते कुतुब खाने के बाहर उतारिए. Don't tear the pages of books. किताबों के औराख मत फाड़िए. Keep silence in the library. कुतुब खाने में खामोशी बरकरार रखिए. Return the books within 1 week. किताब एक हफ्ता में वापस कीजिए. C. Translate the following idioms, proverbs into your medium of instruction. A friend in need is a friend indeed. दोस्त वही जो ज़रूरत के वक्त काम आए. Second, it takes two to quarrel. झगड़े के लिए दो की ज़रूरत होती है. उम्मीद है आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. अगले वीडियो में दोबारा मुलाकात होगी. खुदा हाफिज़.